airport, I don't know, but us back to eat our lunch. Or late lunch, guys.
Ano tayo? Mas mura yung KFC.
Guys, I'm craving for KFC. Escalator.
Mabigyan ako.
Nacemos. Walking. Sister's holding the camera. Whatever this restaurant is. I don't feel like eating this one. I don't feel like eating this.
Yun din lang sa akin eh. Ay, nagulo lang pala.
Ito sa akin, meme. Ako din to.
Side dish lang yan, Dagan.
Ano sa'yo? Gyudon? Talong gyudon.
Guys, we're ordering gyudon daw. Finding a seat. Maybe dun sa may view, I guess. We're going to see it near. Oh, this is nice. That is so cool. This is their split. This plate. Lettuce plate and lettuce plate. No, wait, guys. Honest reaction, guys. It's good. Guys, brother and daddy's getting really mean. They're in the joystick now. So guys, we're going to exit. The way to the CR, guys. So guys, we're then going to the what? So guys, we're just in the mall buying some socks at some stores. We're at the escalator, guys. We're buying some socks.
Hindi naman, para lang nakakapagod din kasi, para nakakapahinga.
Mga Alex, paborito ko. Some fluffy bags, guys. Are you gonna buy one for?
Gusto mo ganito ba una? Meron dun eh, ganyan eh.
We're going back to the first floor, guys. So guys, I think we're gonna exit SM now. We're going to what? Maybe I should like look for bus stop.